Okay.
Has it started?
Yes.
Hello and welcome to the Weather Channel. Today we are watching the hurricane. We tell you all of the latest news, like the death that happened just a few minutes ago. A tree fell into the basement. The winds are currently at 140 miles per hour. People are struggling to walk around, even though you shouldn't even be outside. Here's Caitlin in the 140 miles per hour wind zone.
Hello. Okay, this is Caitlin with the Weather Channel. It's really intense winds right here. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. You should not be outside right now. The rain is like pouring down. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is like the craziest storm ever. Wow. As you can see, right up there, the trees are swaying and the wind is crazy and the rain is pouring down. So be sure to not be here like I am, because I'm here for some reason. We just had another gust of wind come in. The trees are blowing. The storm is clearly on its way now. The water levels are rising because it's getting very intense. Like, you know, it doesn't seem like a lot right now, just like an inch or so, but it's gonna build up and there's gonna be like crazy flooding, as you can see out there. On the street and stuff. Like, that water on the street, it's probably like chest level just about. We are in the path of the hurricane as we speak. The storm is starting to come in upon us. The rain is really intense. This isn't like any other rain I've ever seen, man. Like, wow. It's coming down really hard at the moment. And, you know, this is totally different and new. Like, there's never been another Category 2 hurricane headed to the east coast of the United States. Like, this is crazy. So we need to do 24-hour coverage on this every minute, just talking on and on. This water, it's gonna rise. It's already risen, like, so much at this point. Dude, get out of the shot. You're gonna make them know what's actually going on. Bye-bye. Edit that part out. Okay, as I was saying... Okay, wait, hold on. How many more minutes do we have left? 20 minutes? So I just have to keep standing in the rain and talking for another 20 minutes? I know it's... Who are you? Okay, apparently there is a looter on the loose who's going around during the hurricane, as you have just seen behind me. So be very cautious about this, because it's not like you want to try and get resources from anywhere with people like that out here. Apparently, they're also magical because they're able to walk on the water that is chest level. It's not like anything we're doing is fake or anything like that.